After the storm, my cat brought me this. But that wasn't the only one. An unexpected morning. This morning around 9 o'clock, I heard my dogs and cats making a lot of noise outside. At first, I didn't think much of it, but something felt different. When I went to check, I saw my cat holding a tiny baby bird in its mouth. It was already too late for that one. After a long night of heavy rain, I decided to walk to the side of the house, where the trees grow thick and tall. Something told me to look closer. That's when I saw them, 2 fallen nests on the ground. After the storm, the rain must have been too strong. The first nest looked new, no feathers, no droppings, nothing inside. Maybe it had fallen before anything ever lived in it. But the second nest was different. It was wetter, older, and when I gently looked inside, I saw movement. One tiny baby sparrow was still alive. Small body, soft brown feathers, his tail not fully grown yet. When I picked him up, he tried to fly. He managed about 1 meter before landing back on the ground. He wasn't ready. With so many cats around my house, leaving him there wasn't an option. I searched the area carefully. Under leaves, around the tree roots. But there were no other chicks. I looked up into the tree. There were many nests high above, but after the rain, the trunk was too slippery to climb safely. Sometimes helping means knowing your limits. A small life to feed. When I checked on him again, he looked surprisingly strong. His feathers were dry. His eyes were alert. He even pecked gently at my finger. I placed him inside an old fruit basket with his nest. It was the safest temporary place I had. Sparrows like this one are common in many parts of the world. In rice-growing regions like Indonesia, they are often seen flying over paddy fields in large groups. They mainly eat seeds and grains. Because of that, many farmers consider them crop pests, since they feed on ripening rice. But looking at this tiny bird in my hand, it's hard to see a pest, just a small life trying to survive. I remembered I still had harvested rice stalks from my field. I peeled a few grains carefully and added a little water to soften them. When I brought the food close to him, he opened his beak wide. Even though he was starting to peck on his own, he still wanted to be fed. So I gently fed him piece by piece. He ate with real appetite. After a while, he stopped opening his beak. He was full. A shelter. After he finished eating, he became much quieter, but as I watched him closely, I noticed something. He looked small, alone, in that open basket. The space felt too empty. He had survived the storm, escaped the cats, and eaten well, but now he had no company. That's when I remembered I have a tall cage nearby where I keep 2 ornamental quails. The quails stay at the bottom of the cage, walking and pecking on the ground. The upper part of the cage is open and unused, safe, elevated, away from predators. So I carefully moved his nest into that cage. For a moment he stayed still. Then slowly, He hopped out of the nest and perched on one of the wooden sticks, balancing, looking around, testing his tiny wings again. From morning until evening, he will stay there, protected, with space to grow stronger. And when night comes, I'll bring him back so he can rest safely. For now, this is his shelter.